and legends, one of the most fascinating is the story of Oroke Ewo in Ilupeju Ekiti. A leader of jihadists sought to conquer the region, but the people of Egosi were ready. They made sacrifices, consulted oracles, and invoked the mythical powers of Oro. While passing through Ilupeju Ekiti State, something fascinating happened. A lady mounted his camel, and the animal transferred into a baobab tree, widely known as Egosi in Yoruba lands. His magical drum, capable of killing his enemies if he beats it, also turned into a rock, and his calabash equally turned into a rock. And to this day, if struck, the rock sounds like a drum, steadily. This shows the myth and power of the Oro cult, its influence on the powers of Ali. These are the two drums belonging to Ali that turned into rocks, Ilubembe in Yoruba land. Despite the strange events, Ali pressed on. Frustrated, he drew his sword and slashed the Nambia rock into half, frightening his enemies. Thirsty after the battle, Ali struck another rock, and water miraculously flowed, a stream that continues to run even during the dry season. Water, which can be drunk by two people at least. This reflects the myth and power of Ali and his swords. Realizing the spiritual powers at play, Ali accepted fate, proven to be a hero and powerful entity. The legend wants his presence to be known and seen forever. The Oroke had already turned his camel into a big tree, Egosi in Yoruba. Here is the tree, obviously a camel turned tree. This reflects the power embedded in Yoruba people in the olden days, the days of war, the days of unity, the days of power battle. His soldiers also turned into trees and his drums into rocks. What is left for Ali? The powerful being, the powerful warrior who fought to conquer. In the end, Ali turned himself into rock, with war cap still visible as a mark of his presence. As seen till now, it's evident. Today, Oroke Ewo remains a significant landmark in Ilupeju Ekiti, attracting visitors to come to witness the legendary trees, rocks, and miraculous stream. The split rock and flowing water serve as lasting reminders of this ancient story of courage, mystical power, and unity.